You'll need 2 tablespoons each of coconut oil, tomato paste, and red chili oil, half cup each of fire roasted diced tomatoes, and peanut butter unsalted. You'll need about a cup of shrimp, a bundle of thyme. You'll need salt and pepper, a Scotch bonnet pepper, turmeric, celery stalk, and onion, green onion, and also a pound of collard greens. Put all the items from the plate into a pot of water to boil so that you can make your shrimp stock. After you've cut and washed your collard greens, put them into your shrimp stock, but make sure you take out everything except for the Scotch bonnet pepper. You're only going to cook them until they're wilted. Into the skillet with your coconut oil and your red chili oil so that you can saute your onions, get them nice brown and translucent. Strain your collard greens and set them to the side. Once your onions are translucent, add in your tomatoes and let those cook for a few minutes. Then we're going to add in our peanut butter, tomato paste, and then some of that stock that we boiled the collard greens in. Combine everything well. Once your sauce is combined, it's time to add in your collard greens and just fold them around very well so that it's fully covered in your sauce.